What is up, guys? Planet this site. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete or restore the Steam cloud saves. So first you need to head over to your Steam application, and then you just simply need to head over to the Steam's icon here on the top left, and then click on settings. After clicking on settings, a settings pop-up window will open from here on the left side. Click on cloud, and then just simply turn this toggle off to enable Steam cloud. So this will disable all the Steam cloud synchronization for application which supported. And after closing this, just simply close this, and then you need to head over to the library, and there in the library, whatever game you want to just don't want to save, just simply right click on it, click on properties, and after clicking on properties here, I currently haven't installed this game, that's why it's not showing me the section. But if you have installed the game, here you will see the installed file section. Just simply click on it, and then you can just simply browse and delete all the files that are not useful. So this will solve the error. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.